Now I'd like to request Muhammad Abdullah Araf, please come on the stage and deliver your speech.
I praise Allah, honorable chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'd like to introduce myself before you. My name is Araf. I am 11 years old. I'm a student. I'm studying in class pre-hifz in Rayhan International Madrasah. I want to be a Da'i of Islam. I'm from Khulna, but I live in Dhaka. My father's name is Asif. He's no more. My mother's name is Fajana Khikia. She's a housewife. I have no brother and one sister. Oh, that's all about me. Thank you. Now I'd like to recite a hadith in Arabic, Bengali, and English before you. أول ما يحاسب به العبد يوم القيامة الصلاة. নবী করিম সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম বলেছেন, কিয়ামতের দিন সর্বপ্রথম নামাজের হিসাব হইবে। Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the first deed by which a servant will be called to account on the day of judgment is salat. So my dear brothers and sisters, may Allah gives you tawfiq to 5 times salat in times. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah.
MashaAllah, Jazakumullah. We are really motivated by your beautiful lecture.